Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have a smooth skin tone on CapCut PC. She looks already perfect, but this is just an example. Go to retouch here, go to face and go to retouch. Here you can kind of smooth out her face here. And you can also whiten her skin tone and whiten her teeth. She already has white teeth. She's perfect. Anyways, let's scroll down to makeup. You can even add in makeup to her face, but we're not going to add that. You can add it separately: eyelashes, eyeshadow, and lipstick. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.